Hello friends, welcome back with the remote sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 50, concept is tense, modifier and logical meaning. Passage is the auto industry has experienced one of its most significant trends in the last 50 years, which is the migration of motorists from passenger cars to minivans, sports utility vehicles and pickups. So first error is which is. Which is means 50 years. 50 years is no. Why? Because 50 years is time and which is not for time. For time it is always when. So this is called incorrect modifier. Which means objects. Alright, so option A out. Option B says of the trends the auto industry experienced in the last 50 years has been one of the most significant. Alright, so what is the subject of has been? Of the, so X of the trends, and we do not know what is X. It is noun singular or noun plural or something else. Along with it has incorrect meaning. So option B out. Option C says, in the last 50 years, one of the most significant trends that the auto industry has been experiencing has been the migration. Alright, so has been experiencing, right? So in the last 50 years, no, it should be since 50 years. In last 50 years means what? Present perfect tense. When we say since 50 years, it is possible that we can use has been plus verb ing. Second point, has been plus verb ing is always secondary preference. So option C out. One of the most significant trends that the auto industry has experienced in the last 50 years is the migration. So one of the trends is migration is fine. So option D is okay. Now option E. In the last 50 years, the auto industry experienced one of the most significant trends that it has had that of. What if we separate that of the migration? It's been what? It becomes modifier. And now for modifier, we do not have any noun here. So this is called incorrect modifier along with awkward structure. Why? Because auto industry experienced and then one of the most significant trends that it has had. Now again, we do not need it. It's been industry has had, but here we are talking about one of the trends has had something that is possible. So the pronoun does not have correct antecedent, and that's why option E out, D becomes best option.